Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make gelato with Cuisinart ice cream maker, updated. Start by chilling the bowl and preparing a smooth custard base with milk, cream, and sugar. Temper eggs slowly to avoid curdling, then cool the base completely before churning. Use lower overrun and shorter churn time to achieve dense, scoopable gelato that highlights your flavors without excess air. In this video, I will show how to make gelato with Cuisinart ice cream maker, updated. Measure ingredients precisely and warm milk with sugar until dissolved, then whisk in yolks for a custard base. Cool the custard quickly in an ice bath and refrigerate until fully chilled, which preserves texture. Strain any solids for a silky finish, and add flavorings near the end to maintain brightness and clarity in your gelato. In this video, I will show how to make gelato with Cuisinart ice cream maker, updated. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Try Little Tree's black ice for a clean, crisp scent that makes kitchen drives more enjoyable after dessert runs. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the product link and more deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make gelato with Cuisinart ice cream maker, updated. Pour your chilled base into the frozen bowl and start the machine, monitoring texture as it thickens. Gelato often needs less air than ice cream. Stop when it reaches a dense, creamy ribbon consistency, then transfer to a shallow pan to firm up in the freezer. Rest briefly before scooping to keep that classic gelato mouthfeel.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.